So good day everyone. Today I will be presenting about the contemporary foreign and economic policies of Indonesia, which is the country that I have chosen for this activity. So Indonesia's contemporary foreign and economic policies focuses on maintaining their independence, promoting cooperation, and achieving sustainable economic growth. That's why it is one of the largest and most influential country in the Southeast Asia region. So in contemporary foreign policy, Indonesia follows the principle of bebas dan aktif, which means free and active. This means Indonesia does not permanently align with major world powers but actively participate in global diplomacy. So, for example, if na-dispute ang China and US, ang Indonesia wala siya dapigan sa duha, kundi kanang naa siya sa tunga, dili siya wala siya dapigan ba. Ang focus gud niya is kanang mulago ang iyaha kagalingon ang iya nasud, mo siya ang sa bebas dan active, And it plays a leadership role in the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, or the ASEAN Association for Southeast Asian countries, and also a member of the group of 20, or the G20. So G20 are a group of countries that plays a big economic, or that has a big economic powers around the world, So apil ang Indonesia. So kana pa lang meaning big time din ang Indonesia, especially when it comes to their economy, Showing its growth, showing its international influence, Indonesia maintains balanced relationships with countries like the United States and China while promoting peace and respect for international law. So matawag ingon ganina nga kanang walay dapigan ang kanang Indonesia sa mga major powers, kundi para siya sa tunga jud. Wala siya kanang labanan ba, So next is kanang Indonesia promotes peaceful solutions to conflicts and international law, especially regarding maritime disputes in the South China Sea, So kanang active siya sa kanang pagsuporta and kanang tutok sa kanang issue sa South China Sea, So mao na siya ang sa contemporary foreign and economic mao na siya ang sa contemporary foreign policy of Indonesia. So now we're going to talk about Indonesia's economic policy. Indonesia focuses on infrastructure development, industrialization, and attracting foreign investment, which greatly affects their economy. Maka-attracts lang mga investors, which kanang helps grow their country, and more ideas to come para mas more rich ang ilang nasud. One key strategy is processing natural resources domestically instead of exporting raw materials, which helps create jobs and increase national income. So instead nga na ilang mga raw ingredients nga sa ilang nasod na makita, or mga raw materials, dili nila i-export into other nations. Ang ilang gibuhat, sila mismo ang ga-process into products, in order, so which resulted nga kanang daghang tagal trabaho, and like mo siya domino effect, daghang tagal trabaho, ni taas po dahil ang economy, ni dako ang economy, and the country is also developing its digital economy and strengthening its global trade position. So dili ra siya sa yung economy ra siya nag-focus, but also in its technology side, wala siya magpaulahi sa kanang technology, as in gukod jud siya sa mga major powers ang Indonesia. And overall, Indonesia's contemporary policies aim to strengthen its regional leadership, protect national interests, and support long-term economic growth in an interconnected world. So muna siya ang sa contemporary foreign policy and economic policy of Indonesia. Thank you.